Hi, I'm the operator of Old Red, and this is how you run it. Get her started. Oh, yeah, she don't want to start. See? See, that's the problems with Old Red right here. Perfect. Parking brakes right here. Hydraulics. If you want to go use the forward pedals, you hit this button forward. This is to go forward when you hit the gas. This is to go reverse when you hit the gas, facing this way. This is how you turn it while you're driving. You hold the thing this way and touch this right here, and it turns left. You move it to this side, hold it this way, touch this, it moves right. Sometimes, if you don't want to drive, you got to make sure this knob's all the way forward, but we don't really know what it does besides let you drive. And that's how you drive Old Red. Well, another day. Just hiking up the mountain. Gonna be a good day. Got quite a bit to cut down with the chainsaw. Well, we'll set you guys up and get to work.